Taking a look at this W70 Pro smartwatch. Shout out to the brand for sending this to me, letting me try it out and show it to you guys. So first off, it comes with the watch. Uh, Make sure you charge it up before using it. It has two bands that come with it. You've got fabric and this rubber band. Personally, I like the rubber, but the fabric is also great, and I love how it's got the little ridges in here to help, just makes it a bit softer of a wear, makes it more comfortable. And then of course you've got your quick start guide and the warranty card. So charging time is 2.5 hours, and what I love about it is the battery life is 20 days. That's just crazy for a smartwatch, right? So take a look at the actual watch here. You can see it is a fairly big face size, and then the screen itself is very clear. You can see it senses when you turn your wrist up, which I love that. That's super nice. Tracks your heart rate, calories, steps, and this is right out of the box, right? You can customize it, I'm pretty sure, but you can see it's got the time, distance, I assume for walking, and you can swipe through to different stuff. You can see the oxygen level. You can measure your stress level, track your sleep. You can hook up some music, and you can also connect the phone to it. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. One of the things I think is really cool, it's got this light here. So you can, here, turn this off, right? So you can basically just have a flashlight on your wrist. How cool is that? And it has a strobing option. So if you're walking down the road or something at night, you can have that on so that way cars see you and such. But there's just tons of stuff that you can do on this, and it's just super cool. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a new smartwatch. It's waterproof. Like I showed you, it's got the heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep monitoring. Check it out.